Hello, my name is Mike Driscoll, and today I want to talk to you about my new website, Teach Me Python. Teach Me Python is something I've been working on for over a year. The goal of Teach Me Python is to teach you how to learn the Python programming language. And by becoming a subscriber, you will get access to all of my books and all of my courses as well. So here are my two courses currently published. Python 101, Learning the Language, and Python 102, Beyond the Basics. Both of these courses are based on my book, Python 101 Second Edition, and they will let you learn the language and then, continue on and learn Beyond the Basics. And I'm going to add a third course that's based on the book. They will teach you some more advanced tools, like how to build different kinds of applications, as well as how to create executables. The cool thing about my website, Teach Me Python, is that when you do each of these little sub-lessons, it'll keep track of your complete course. So, if you get through 50% of it, it'll tell you that, and it'll help you keep motivated to get through the course. The other cool thing about this is that when you become a subscriber, you'll get access to all my previously published work that is self-published, like Pillow Image Processing with Python, Report Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Automating Excel with Python, Python 201, and of course Python 101. You'll get all of these ebooks, and even if you decide to unsubscribe in the future, all of the ebooks are yours to keep. I also am including my Python 101 video course. I don't think I have it listed on here yet, but you'll get a link to that as well, or a coupon that will work for that as well. And you'll be able to download all of those neat tools. The only things that are subscription only are the courses that are physically on the Teach Me Python website. Those will only be on Teach Me Python. So if you want to be able to, keep track of your progress and be able to, share how you're doing, that's where you want to go for that. I do want to show you one of the cool tools that I've been playing with Teach Me Python. Basically, I've been messing around with some different tools to make my code more interesting on Teach Me Python. So now some of the examples will let you run the code, and you can see the output on the other side when it runs. And then, of course, you can write your own code on the left-hand side and then run it on the right-hand side, and it'll just help you more interactively work with the examples. Not all of my code lessons or even the blog post that I'm going to put on Teach Me Python will work with this tool because it doesn't work with all the third-party plugins that are available to Python. There's just too many of them. But for basic Python stuff and some of the data science libraries, it does work really, really well. And it's really handy to be able to just run the code and then be able to see, what the output is interactively inside the website. So that should help you learn Python all the better. Anyway, I really hope you'll check out the website. Let me jump back to the subscription part. I guess because I'm logged in, it's not going to let me show you that part. I'll just jump to it myself. So if you go to the subscriptions page, it tells you what all is on there: courses, tutorials, and blog posts. You can spend $10 a month if you don't want to commit to a long period of time. That's probably your best deal. If you want to save some money per year, I'd go with the $99 a year. That's almost 17% off or so for a yearly subscription. And then, of course, you got $250 for lifetime. That unlocks everything, and it'll stay unlocked for as long as the website exists, which hopefully will list. I'm planning to support this site for a long time, so hopefully at least 10 years of service, if not more. The other thing that I forgot to mention is that with those, if I release any new ebooks during your subscription period, you'll get those ebooks too. So, for example, I'm planning to create a Python quiz book that hopefully will come out by the end of the year, maybe early 2023. And so if you're a subscriber, when that book comes out, you'll get a free code, so you'll get that book as well, and whatever other books that I plan to make will also become part of the subscription. And believe me, I have lots of book ideas. I just haven't had a lot of time to work on them because I've been working on this website. So anyway, I hope you'll check out Teach Me Python and let me know what you think.